Go get your coffee, your tea, your popcorn, your snacks, because today we unbox a Sunstar ukulele. I am so excited. Ooh, I've heard about these. I wanted one of these. It's a ukulele. It's a ukulele humidifier. So if you have a wooden ukulele, I've heard these are a must. I've actually had a ukulele ruined before because I didn't have one of these. So excited. Okay. By the way, I'm not keeping it. This is a giveaway ukulele. The Sunstar Music Company is run by a family who wanted quality ukuleles at an affordable price. And this is not something I'm reading off of a card. I met the family, and this is how they package all of their ukuleles with all of the materials, and every single Sunstar ukulele comes with a humidifier to protect the instrument that you just purchased. Sorry, Kit Kat just discovered the box. Of course, cat footage at the end of unboxing video, you can expect that already. When I met with the family, they told me that they started this company because they wanted a quality ukulele at an affordable price, and they wanted something that would be accessible for people. So when we were talking about the ukuleles and the production process, they shared with me that every single one of their ukuleles passed through their hands for quality control purposes. That means that every single ukulele is set up. What I mean by set up is that they're checked so that they're all playable. So if you've ever purchased a ukulele and you couldn't really play it because the strings were too high, the nut was too wide, the saddle wasn't on right, it had a buzz, that means that it wasn't really set up. And so what they do at Sunstar is that they set up every single ukulele. And I think that that's like one of the really big perks for having a smaller brand. Okay, so we have a gig bag here. The handle on the top has this outer layer that makes it for comfort grip. We have one strap on the back. I prefer two, but because their setup is done, I will forgive the one strap. We have the front pocket, which is as big as it could be on this gig bag. And then, ooh, I thought that was embroidered. I think that is stamped on. Oh, that's quite unique. I haven't seen that before. The ukulele gig bag is lightly padded. So this will protect against scratches or like regular sun damage, but I wouldn't recommend putting anything on top of the ukulele. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? Oh, I know what I like about it already. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that is cool. Look at that. Nice. Wow, this reminds me of a Spanish guitar. Look, cool. Okay. Woo. Oh, get out of town. This is acoustic electric. I did not know that. For anyone who's been around the channel for a little while, you know that I moved from Japan to the US and all of my things are still being shipped to me. One of them being my amp, so I will not be able to plug this in. I am so sorry. So we have a, what is this? Like a, right? It's like an ivory looking ukulele. And we have, ooh, I don't think I've had a ukulele with pin type setup on the bridge. That is cool too. The fingerboard here is framed by also like a ivory white pearl binding, and it comes all the way around to the bottom to make it all look really cohesive. We will do a sound demo, by the way. I just like to kind of hit all the points in the beginning and then we listen to the uke. Okay, so we have two pieces here attached, and then very smooth on the side. That means that when you're playing and you're shredding, you won't catch yourself on the fret wires. The fret wires are these little silver pieces that separate the frets. We have very nice, low, comfortable action. Perfect for beginners or really anyone. And then the fret markers are really unique shape. I think that would be, what is it, like a southwestern kind of look to it. It makes me think of like Texas and Arizona for some reason. Maybe I've seen that shape out there. And then on the top we have an engraved Sunstar logo that is stained to be darker, and of course that slotted headstock. I mean, come on. We have the tuners pointing towards the back. The gears are gold and the actual handles are a silver, chrome silver. I think that looks great. And then of course the back of the ukulele, like look at that pattern. I would probably just show it off like this all the time. Look at that, so pretty. Oh, that's pretty too though. Well, we have a really beautiful kind of, I don't know, southwestern looking ukulele. It definitely is reminiscent of classical guitars, to me at least. This tag here tells us that the strings on this are Aquila Super Nail Gut. I feel like those are becoming an industry standard. So many ukuleles come with them now. To win this ukulele, because I'm not keeping this, I'm giving it away. To win this ukulele, you have to do two things. One is sign up for the Sunstar Music newsletter. That's with an email. I have the details below. And number two, tell me who you're going to give this ukulele away to. Because chances are, if you're watching this channel, you already have one. So I want to know who you will give it to and why in the comments below. So let me know who you're going to give this to and why. One of you will be chosen and this will be sent to you. Mamas, let me, oh my god. Okay. Please let go.